Hello, little artists! Are you ready to draw something super fun and easy today? Let's draw a colorful staircase together!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw 7 horizontal lines. Each line should be a little smaller than the one below. Great job! Now, connect both sides of each line with small vertical lines. Wow! The staircase is forming! Draw 6 more horizontal lines to show the edges of each step. Nice and neat. Now draw the railings on both sides of the staircase. Up and down.
La da 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 dee.
Perfect! Nice job, everyone. Our staircase drawing is complete. Let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Show your color pens. Yay! We will use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Cream color. So bright and beautiful! Awesome work, little artists. You did an amazing job today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.